If you saw me, you would ask yourself, what talent could this normal guy have? Well, it's quite simple. I'm American. And if you want to be American, you have to do it correctly. You have to 1. Eat way too much burgers, like this time where I won a food eating competition. 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Almost there! Bravo! Then there's number 2. Guns. You really need to love guns to be a real American. Let's see what I got the last time I played with the gun. A mouse and the neighbor's cat. And the last important point, God. To be a good American, you need to be a good Christian.